Welcome to apartment 3, building 13 at Losson Garden Apartments in Cheektowaga. This apartment is all ready to go. 2 bedroom, 1 bath, 824 square feet. This is the main room. There's a nice coat closet when you walk in. And our kitchen, it's a larger kitchen. Dishwasher, garbage disposal, range, refrigerator, lots of cabinets. Balcony, got an air conditioner. And come through to the bathroom here. So linen closet. Got your tiled shower tub. Nice sized bathroom. And come through to the first bedroom here. The shades are room darkening, so it will make it nice and dark for sleep. The closet. And this is the bigger bedroom. Again with the room darkening shades. Hot water baseboard heat. These 2 double closets. Plenty of storage. There's also storage in the basement, along with coin operated laundry for your convenience. Okay. Our main room. This real big kitchen. Thank you for joining us today at Losson Garden Apartments. This is building 13, apartment 3.